जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए और अगर सरकार उनको कहेगी कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए क्या? सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है क्या? सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती?
हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम बात करेंगे अभी रिसेंटली सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक जजमेंट पास होता है जिसमें ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया संजीव खन्ना and the other judge, that is Sanjeev Kumar, has given a verdict, and the issue is related to the asset survivors. So basically in the year of 2023, Sahas NGO, which is Mumbai based NGO working for acid attack survivors, it has filed a petition in the Supreme Court to plea that in the year of 2014 the judgment was passed, that is Lakshmi versus Union of India, but its direction are not properly enforced in various states. So it has requested the Supreme Court to mandate that all the state legal service authorities and all the competent authorities are to mandate that the asset victims survivors are provided sufficient compensation. So the Supreme Court has taken this plea in the year of 2023, and now in the year of 2025 it has passed its verdict. In the ratio of this verdict, the Supreme Court has held that in India there are many states which are not properly following the directions issued in the case of Lakshmi versus Union of India. So we need to know what the direction have been issued in the Lakshmi versus Union of India. I will give a glimpse of it. So one of the direction in that particular case was that all the acid attack survivors are to be given adequate compensation, which was 3 lakhs around. In addition to this, the acid attack survivor was given option that he or she can choose the private or the government hospitals for the treatment. Some provisions for rehabilitation was also provided. In the year of 2016, additional remedy was granted, and that was victim compensation scheme of 2016, wherein 1 lakh additional amount was to be paid to all those acid attack survivors for the purpose of rehabilitation. But when we see all this scenario, we find that there are almost many states who are not strictly following the direction issued by this particular case of 2014. That was the reason that 2023 the plea has been filed before the Supreme Court by Sahas NGO. So Supreme Court has given the directions to all the state legal service authorities, as well as made the issuance that all the acid survivors are to move to the state legal service authorities and to claim all the reasonable compensation. So basically the compensation, that is 3 lakh, which was already provided in that particular case, 1 lakh that is provided by the 2016 scheme. So now the Supreme Court is requesting all those authorities to take as important measures which can be proper for the rehabilitation of all these acid attack survivors. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching this.
Subscribe for more content.